Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit USD in Binance US. We'll walk through the essential steps to ensure your funds arrive safely. First, we'll cover selecting the correct network, which is crucial for a successful transfer. Then, I'll show you how to generate your unique deposit address. Finally, we'll discuss completing the transaction and important checks to perform. This guide will help you confidently manage your Tether deposits. Choosing the right network is a critical first step. Binance US supports several options, such as TRC20, ERC20, and BEP20. Each network has different transaction speeds and fees. It is absolutely vital that the network you select on Binance US matches the network from which you are sending your USD. A mismatch could result in the permanent loss of your digital assets. Once you've chosen your network, it's time to get your deposit address. Log into your Binance US account and find the Wallet or Deposit section. Select Tether or USD from the list of cryptocurrencies. Then, choose the exact same network you identified earlier. Binance US will then generate a unique deposit address for you to copy. This address is where your funds will be sent. With your Binance US deposit address copied, go to your external wallet or exchange. Paste the address into the recipient field. Before confirming, take a moment to meticulously double-check that both the address and the network are correct. This step is crucial to prevent errors. Once confirmed, your USD will be sent and typically arrive in your Binance US account within a few minutes, though times can vary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.